Welcome everyone to the SHIB.io Keynote. Over the past 3 years, SHIB has emerged as a global sensation. Beginning from Ryoshi's humble blog, we have blossomed into a global brand, accepted in more locations than most other crypto and non-cryptocurrencies on the planet. From DeFi on ShibaSwap, to NFTs like our beloved Shiboshis, to Shiba Eternity Gaming, our beloved SHIB represents a thriving ecosystem that spans the globe. Our impressive present is a testament to our remarkable journey, and it's with great joy that I announce the Shibarium mainnet is now live. With impressive speeds and low cost, limitless, incredible experiences can now be built on SHIB's own blockchain. A massive thank you to the over 10,000 Shibarium beta interest submissions, the 17 million beta wallets, and 35 million test transactions. These are the people, products, and services that are ready to build on Shibarium. And a super thanks to our decentralized Shibarium team, and also the unification team for helping build Shibarium. But we're here to speak about our future, right? Unlike our humorous competitors wishing to build an everything app, we are building an autonomous, perpetual, decentralized digital nation state. This groundbreaking framework is explored in the full 100-page SHIB paper. But let's peer into the future to glimpse a new society built by you.
I can't believe it, Jane. My seed phrase notebook has vanished.
Seriously? Don't you know how important they are? Be honest, you didn't even write it down.
I did, Jane. I just don't know where.
It's about self-custody, babe. If you were using SHIB, then you wouldn't need that phrase unless it was an emergency.
SHIB? Wait, you mean the meme coin?
Looks like you didn't get the memo. SHIB is no longer just a meme, it's a whole society, John.
Our products, services, and platforms are designed with a specific mission in mind: to empower our Shibazins. By creating incredible user experiences, we onboard the next billion users. The first tool in our arsenal? Shibdentity. The revolutionary self-sovereign identity system empowers a self-sovereign life within our digital borders and beyond. Think of your Shibdentity as a wallet. Not only a crypto wallet, but one that can also hold a verified ID or credential, just like the one in your pocket or purse. Armed with this, the SHIB army can now take control of their data, their assets on chain, and their identity, all while maintaining privacy. For example, with the power of Shibdentity, you can easily provide proof of personhood and pass along your inheritance to your loved ones with ease. This evolves Shibarium into a system that reaches into the core of what it means to be human.
Jane? The notification, it's something about your dad.
What? Let me see that. It can't be. Impossible. It can't be.
What's happening? I don't understand.
It's automated, John. My dad used to have a SHIB digital will. So the only way I could get this message, this inheritance instantaneously, is if somebody verified it.
Jane, it's Mum. The hospital just called. Your father. Please call me back. I love you.
We want Shibdentity to be an integral part of your life and offer peace of mind during the most testing times. This is just one of the many use cases of Shibarium enhanced by Shibdentity.
Shibdentity is powered by the self-sovereign identity concept. Aligned with the trust over IP protocol, and decentralized ID technology. This technology stack ensures interoperability, not just across blockchains and with companies, but more importantly, with countries like Canada and the EU. Imagine the revolutionary potential of incorporating this layer of trust into Shibarium. Although this vision of national interoperability might not be immediate, the prospect of forming partnerships at governmental levels for the issuance of verified credentials is already within reach, and a large part of perpetual decentralization. But what does this mean in the interim? It signifies that a trusted authority can provide a verifiable citizenship to those adhering to the society's laws and regulations, while keeping the identities of our members always private. A truly global first, especially when you consider the multifaceted implications of this framework.
Our society's homeland is a stunning, photorealistic world that we call SHIB the Metaverse, spanning tens of thousands of acres of immersive lands. Each area, or hubs as we call them, will have their unique themes. Our territory is a sight to behold. Ryoshi Plaza, where we are currently standing, is only one of these marvels. I invite you to embark on a serene journey to explore the Wagmi Temple, Rocket Pond, and beyond. At our core, we strive to surpass expectations and to give our community as many tools, such as our innovative plot builder, empowering Shibazins to shape their spaces into the perfect environment for their home or business. But that's not all. We take it even further with our revolutionary game maker, giving Shibazins the ultimate outlet for their creativity. With this cutting-edge tool, they can not only build mesmerizing worlds for their property, but also craft captivating games, adventures, and challenges that will delight their friends and fellow Shibazins. SHIB the Metaverse is more than just a digital utopia. It's a thriving ecosystem where dreams come to life. Our Shibazins are not just passive spectators. They are the architects of their own destinies. With the power of our Shibarium blockchain technology and the support of the SHIB Army, our metaverse fosters a self-sustaining economy which will drive each and every Shibazin alike. Creators, developers, and entrepreneurs flourish here, empowered by the thriving ecosystem of our metaverse. Seamless transactions and a safe, secure, supportive community enable them to profit. We also take pride in our unique Shiboshi NFTs, which celebrates diversity and inclusivity, embracing the strength of women in tech and innovation. SHIB the Metaverse is not just a digital utopia, it's a vision that becomes reality through the passion and dedication of our community, the Shibazins. As we grow, so does the magic of this place. Together, we're building a world where imagination has no limits and every dreamer can find their place. Together, we are defining the very essence of what a metaverse is, transforming it into a realm of boundless potential and achievements for all who dare to explore its wonders. Embrace the power of our platform, where innovation meets inspiration and where your dreams can become remarkable realities. Have a look. I encourage each and every one of you to visit our website at shib.io. Take a look at our map and see where you may want to embark on the future of the internet.
Every worldwide society requires territory, and our metaverse is yet another differentiator of SHIB from everything everything else. However, you may ask, what about those who can't utilize such a high-definition environment?
Don't worry, Shai. We have you covered. Introducing the Shiba Hub, our upcoming super app. A true decentralized community needs a common location. And on Shibarium, that will be the Shiba Hub. Built around your day-to-day needs, the hub allows for a bespoke Shibarium experience. Simply choose your favorite features, protocols, projects, people, and dApps. Then enjoy a total experience where you are the central point, not anyone else. With the hub in mind, a question arises: what will you build on Shibarium?
It feels like life couldn't get any darker.
Oh Hold on, Jane. Dawn follows in the darkest of night. Be right back. I can't take away your pain, but perhaps I can offer you a hint of joy.
You always know how to lift my spirits. This is really sweet, thank you. You're kidding. They demonetize my yoga channel, while those bigger channels get away with the same thing. It's not fair.
That's why we contrast with centralized platforms. That's why SHIB matters.
SHIB? You're turning into a Ryoshi.
You've been reading up, Jane. The blogs, the SHIB manifesto. I see the potential now. Let's take a stand here, Jane. Let's create our own decentralized yoga channel. We could likely surpass your revenue on that other platform, especially if they're going to demonetize you.
You've changed so much in just a week.
The legacy process after my grandma passing was exhausting and infuriating. When your dad passed, you got your inheritance instantly.
Thanks to Dad. And SHIB.
Exactly. That's the power of what SHIB is building. That's what your dad wanted us to see. I'm with him. Hail SHIB.
I love you, John.
I love you more.
The Shiba Hub is the perfect place for John's idea to blossom. With the drag and drop module builder, our decentralized army can build experiences that integrate with self-sovereign identity, blockchain, and the other bespoke dApps on the hub. But what about outside the hub? During this Blockchain Futurist Conference, we are proud to showcase hundreds of protocols, platforms, and people who are building on top of Shibarium. Surprisingly, this spring class of Shibarium 2023 isn't just developers, though that represents a large part. Many are normal people, family businesses, and nonprofits that understand the power of SHIB. One such business is the small team at Shibacals, which uses state-of-the-art NFC technology to ensure collectible items are authenticated in a snap. Shibacals is already fulfilling the Shiba community requests with the community-driven launch of authenticated Shiba hoodies printed on champion garments and many more in the pipeline. Moreover, we've seen the community rally to bring the food chain to blockchain with Wellies and other Shiba food locations, while getting excited about futuristic fashion with John Richmond. Yet as developers and development teams are still our backbone, our system is designed to continue our commitment to developers, just as we have today with our $10,000 hackathon, which is co-sponsored by Unification for SHIB, the Metaverse, and Shibarium. No matter developer or dreamer, Shibarium powers much more than the digital future. It powers a future you decide.
To ensure this perpetual decentralized life cycle, over the next year we must think differently. Thank you to the great minds at Bad Idea AI, alongside our other tools and partners who helped us develop this concept. Consider, today we can prove that we, SHIB Army, are a permanent population of millions, with a high-tech yet actual territory, powerful decentralized governance, and the ability to work alongside other countries due to our system's design and futuristic identity protocols. According to the Montevideo Convention and others, we are a global state by definition. It's important enough to repeat, we, SHIB Army, stand before you as the first decentralized digital global state in existence. Now, we can track SHIB's GDP or the economic activity that happens on SHIB.io platforms and digital entities that utilize Shibarium's network within our digital borders, while our state's GNP would include the activity outside of our borders by our Shibizans via IRL products or services. These and other society-level analytics will help us track our growth and help us govern the system collectively. Speaking of governance, A global system of this magnitude requires an incredibly robust governance system with checks and balances. Because of our use of the 4 core tokens in the Shiba Inu ecosystem, we are uniquely positioned to thrive perpetually. Let's discuss. Our governance system is special. Designed to be multi-token at birth, each token controls the decisions of a governance branch to ensure the system remains decentralized, as it has always been. In our proposed completed governance structure, detailed in the full SHIB paper, SHIB remains the core token for use in trade, yet also allows the community to govern a branch of our new digital state. That's right, SHIB token now has a new governance utility in our nation state. Read the SHIB paper for details. Bone serves as Shibarium gas and also governs the technology branch, ensuring Shibarium survives and our technology remains cutting edge. Leash offers exclusivity but also governs our protective branch, as if judicial. Yet our final governance token, Treat, is focused on innovation, core to our success as a nation state. In fact, Treat will be the access token for many of the protocols, platforms, and products mentioned in this keynote. When you consider the economic impact of each of the systems named earlier, and even how the totality of the system strengthens Ethereum, DYOR seems appropriate. Go forth, SHIB Army, with courage. Build on Shibarium to your heart's content. Craft new experiences. Design DeFi in a way the world never expected. And propose protocols that present a new way of looking at reality. While you all build and integrate Shibarium into the world, we will continue to build the frameworks for our new state. And over the next year and beyond, collectively, we will combine everything into the most epic super app and nation state the world has ever seen. Thank you again, Blockchain Futurist Conference, for the opportunity to showcase our plan to change the world. We'll see you around on Shibarium. Hail, SHIB.